Scrolling YouTube Short for too long? Here's a new YouTube feature that lets you limit how many shorts you watch. Let me show you how to enable it. So first thing we need to do is open the YouTube application and go to the profile in the bottom right corner. After that, we go to the setting in the top right corner. In the settings, we go to the time management. In the time management, you can scroll down and you can see at the very bottom is short feed limit. So in here you can set how much time you can scroll on shorts each day. You can turn on the switch on the right and you can choose short feed limit. It starts from 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hour. You can choose one of these, and now this short feed limit is active. I hope this video useful and see you in another video.